Big Black Richard, we the kings of crunch. Gonna give you that spicy talk, hit you with that punch. Reviewing every tortilla, bringing heat and fun. Fat, black, gay, we embrace it all. No.
Okay, we can talk now.
No, we cannot talk now.
He just said we can talk right now.
He said.
I said we can talk right now.
Oh.
Can you hear us through there too?
Yeah, he can.
Sick. This intro's gonna fucking suck. Does it say who we are in the intro?
No, it's the
music video.
the
shit?
music. Yeah.
The music video.
You
So-
gonna do like a 3, 2,
He did.
1?
He did do that.
Oh,
We did do
so
that.
we're live now.
I told you.
Oh, cool! Welcome to the Big Black Richard podcast.
Fucking joke.
Like, it's just a big ass joke to everyone. Landon set us up with some shit that automates it, so he doesn't have to do anything anymore because he's lazy. And now he doesn't have to hear about it because he won't have to listen to it.
That's true. Unless he ever
And
decides to
he's
listen to
not
the
gonna.
podcast. That's fair.
Who really wants to listen to us bicker?
What did you just call
Is that
me?
what called?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So he did say
did it
though
with
we
the
didn't
B.
have 4Ks. We only have 3 of them.
Oh, I bet he did.
So
That's cool.
He was gonna get us some hats to say it,
Little,
but
little
you know,
shiny pointy
I don't know,
hats.
little white hats. He said
Ooh.
for the 3Ks.
Before we even get into this, you said you had
Alright.
a luncheon thing. Are
I have
you
a luncheon
Are you
thing.
gonna eat at the luncheon thing, or are you just gonna?
You know, sometimes
to him.
sometimes you just gotta eat. I guess.
You don't though.
What did you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
One. Jesus. Figure out. This is the remote for the lights, right?
Yeah.
Why
I
does
don't know.
Why the fuck does Richard have? Oh, no. Richard likes to already keep the lights off.
That one's for Jay.
You can throw it on the floor like my baby.
Yeah. Just get your baby to go get it.
We need like a baby floor cam.
Oh, look at that grease. That means it's good.
yeah.
Look at that.
Pass me the phone.
Pashulas, yeah. there
So ahead of time, sorry for the short episode, but at least you won't get to see me play on my phone the last 15 minutes like normal.
like your interns usually
Yeah.
do. Assistants.
Assistant.
Assistants.
How come you're not going to play on your phone?
Because we're not going to do the last 15 minutes of this episode.
Why not?
AI is gonna do it.
No, I'm just going to get up and leave when I get bored now.
Oh, you
Because
Oh,
I got
Tyler
other
didn't
shit to do.
Tyler did not give us a word.
Oh, we got no fucking words.
Oh, no words.
Okay, so
Okay, your word, Seth. Your word, Richard. Your word, onomatopoeia.
you're a fucking idiot. Okay, so think of a word that you want to try to sneak in, and that'll be your word, and we have to try to figure it out.
I don't know about that. I don't really know. I
Why
don't
not?
know.
I think that's good.
I don't know.
I
just don't know.
Anyway, well,
Okay.
before we started, you missed
I
it.
don't
You
know.
weren't upstairs. Seth was trying to do something to me. Sorry, my voice is gone. So this is gonna be an excellent episode.
Oh.
Were you doing it to him then? Was that
No,
why
no,
your
no.
voice-
Seth was
No,
trying to do
we
something
were
to
doing
me,
things
and I
to
didn't
each
let
other.
him do it. So instead, he went to my wife's feet, and he just like squished her foot, and he was like, "Oh yeah." So I'm just assuming you have like a foot fetish.
Oh, a
which
little
is
bit.
fine. I admire your foot fetish. But
You
it's
know,
okay.
it just happens. But
Why is my taco?
wow, is
upside
that
down?
so? That's warm, Richard.
He's been.
It's tea.
What kind of tea you got there, buddy?
Hot tea.
Oh, okay, cool. Good talk.
What's the difference on that one and that one?
Oh, I didn't see it. That's the difference.
Glad you hung out. Here you go, Richard.
He already has one.
That's okay.
Here you go, Keen.
I got one already.
Catch.
Oh.
So,
What's new with you, chode mouth?
1 week into the school,
Yeah, public
it
school.
went really well. My daughter, after the first day, it's like 7 o'clock, she goes, "Dad, I'm going to go to bed." And I go, "Wait, like, was school that exhausting that you need to go to bed now?" She looks up at me and she goes, "No. But the sooner I go to sleep, the sooner I get to wake up and go back to school." And I was like, yes, this is great. So, super good. Found out last night that Watson has been avoiding telling Laura the good things about school because he knows his audience, because she's not super pumped about it all.
Mm-hmm.
And so, like me and Laura talked about this last night a little bit because I was like, yeah, my suspicion was right. But, like, Watson didn't want to be like, yeah, I've had a really great time, because he kind of like Laura is not excited about it, but I told Watson, I was like, Mom needs to hear that you're having a good time, because if not, she's going to hate it even more.
Yeah, she's just assume you're
So-
miserable. But that's
so-
good that he understands that.
Yeah, he had, I got him Chick-fil-A for breakfast today. because he has like a standardized test thing. Not standardized test, but like one of those kind of like, rigorous test things. And so I just wanted him to like feel like I gave a crap. So that's good. And we got to the line like 15 minutes early before school. And so like I intentionally so that we could eat. But me and Watson were playing a game together on our phones. And so like Bennett, she's like, well, school time. She like gets out and goes. And Watson's like, we got to finish. So like I had to pull into the parking lot and park so we could like for 10 seconds. And he goes, oh, we won. Okay, see ya. And then he got out of the car and went. So
That's pretty cool. Well, I mean, that's good that he's actually enjoying it, and so is Bennett.
yeah.
Because this mic is going to piss me off. I don't know where to put it. Because I thought they were going
You
to
said
either
that
hate
before.
it or love it.
Yeah, and
You're
I thought they were going to, like, I anticipated them not liking it for a while.
Mm-hmm.
And so I kind of had mentally prepared for that. And now that that's not been a thing.
I see.
Oh yeah, her finger doesn't work. But like, yeah, I think mentally preparing for it to be a problem is like,
Oh, fuck.
I'm glad it's not. So
Yeah, that's cool. So now you don't have to take your kids out of public school already.
yeah,
Excuse me. How is Laura taking it?
she's doing okay. It hasn't been as,
Traumatic.
yeah, I think she's doing okay. So I anticipated it being like
It's grisly.
really hard, but
Stuck
it
in my
wasn't.
teeth.
So is it? Well,
Well, I got this fat ass gap, like right here in the middle. Just get stuck.
also spicy.
It was pretty spicy.
Okay, it is
Like,
pretty spicy.
Surprisingly, like that's the first like salsa we've had that's actually been.
And I just poured it all on too.
I added more spice. Okay, I had to eat
Very
the meat
good, too.
separate because the meat was kind of rough.
You had
It's
it
like
as
they
well.
just need to slice it up more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know where you got these from. I couldn't guess. It's not RJ's Chicken Shack or whatever that is. So
Because there's beef in there.
My house.
The warehouse?
My house.
you made them this time?
No. It's called my house. Mi casa.
You're an idiot. I think you did this last time. You got it from this place.
No, I've never been to this place. What's broken?
Some random picture of me.
Oh, nice.
Oh, really? Is that Cam 2?
Love to see it.
You have to turn it on and
I
turn
don't
it off.
No,
Should we tell Landon?
no. Someone's calling you.
No, it's
Something's up with
movie.
Cam too, bro.
I'm gonna come down here and kick you in the balls. I think this would have been just a little better if it had like
Ooh.
cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well, I thought about it and I was like, well, I almost added it and I was like, nah, I'm just gonna make them all the same.
It's
Jay,
all
you got
good.
some salsa?
She has some in her back.
Mm.
It's spicy though.
It is really spicy.
Make your milk spicy.
So this is the place on Chadburn, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Like the first time I got their tacos, I didn't like it at all.
No.
So this would be the third time I've had them because you brought them
Oh.
one time too.
Have I? So I just don't remember going there. I don't remember ever being inside that building. Wait, I wonder if they moved.
At
It's
the
right there by
table-
a four-way intersection, right?
Yeah.
That's where they've been since. Because I went there when we started taking Juju to that daycare that was across the street from there that is now closed. It's like that brown building, brick building. I don't know. Yeah, Robinson. That's what it was called.
I don't know, man. I just don't ever
Does Ty
remember.
have a mic? Do you have a mic?
I guess I could like check my credit card receipts.
Yeah, you've been there though. It's okay. Because
What are you going to be doing afterwards, Ty?
Quit
Wow.
talking.
Wow.
It was
Thanks,
boring.
Richard. Thanks for.
It was boring about what you're talking about.
That's fair. Cool. Yeah, Ty, how have you been? You haven't been on since like the second episode.
I don't know.
You don't-
I like how he like leaned into the microphone but didn't put his mouth towards the microphone.
It still smells like Landon.
Oh, lucky. Lucky you, lucky you. So Laura's going out of town. She's going to Tennessee tonight. She'll be back Sunday.
She driving.
when's
So what are we gonna do?
Yeah, what's the party?
Well, I have to work between tomorrow and Friday.
Okay.
So,
Saturday. Game night.
yeah, Saturday night or Saturday we can come to your house and touch each other while the
Ooh.
kids are playing outside with the dogs or something.
Yeah.
Did you ever sell the dog?
We sold. Yeah, we sold one.
Oh,
in
Ty, do you want a dog?
Tennessee.
No.
Oh, okay, never mind.
You said one left.
Yeah. We have two left.
You should
three
just
left.
eat the last two.
Last night I was like, well, so Bennett suggested that actually. Like we had a whole conversation
To
about
eat it?
eating it.
Would it be like veal?
But like,
I don't know. Let's
Since
find
they're
out.
young?
I mean, I don't keep them in cages, so their little muscles are
Free range.
yeah.
And
Free
lights,
range
and
puppy.
the lights turn off.
But
Grass
there-
fed.
You know, so we last night I gave them all baths, and Laura hands me the little black one, and she goes,
She
this
gave
is
you
your,
ti-
this is
she
your,
gave you-
wow, this is your chance to have your little Gotham, because I've always wanted to have a little dog named Gotham.
It's a boy or a girl though.
It's a boy.
Oh, little.
And his little
Gotham.
black Gotham. I mean, I don't hate the idea,
Can I
except
have
for
one?
like four.
Yeah.
Having 4 dogs is like
Yeah.
excessive, but also like doesn't change much.
No, just the
Yeah.
amount
Like-
of food that you buy.
I just have to buy a little bit more food, but like we don't take them to like kennels when we go out of town.
Yeah.
Like we leave them at the house and have you or somebody come and like feed them and take care of them. So like taking care of 4 versus taking care of 3 is no different at this point.
We have
And
5.
so-
Yeah, that's
so. This
that's
is, I mean,
insane.
you don't have any children though, so
No.
And then you don't read books either, so
I know. I need to finish it.
yeah, you've had that book for as
wow.
long as you've had this podcast going.
But then also,
That's true.
This, if I did do that, I would one have to like retrain this dog already because it doesn't like me that much. But 2, like it would be the best trained of all of them because I'm going to have it with me like all the time.
like your pocket dog.
Like, I'm going to bring it up here.
That's what I did with Lux for a
You
while.
know,
and he
do the
just
whole thing.
fucking around black
Yeah.
people, just fucking corrupted them. He started saying the N word at the house now.
Oh yeah,
So I don't know what
I
to
get
do with
it.
him.
Yeah.
Can we have her?
This is
Can you have him?
Yeah, Gotham.
No,
Why not?
because your
Why do I
wife will say
clean your
no.
table?
She'll be mad at me if I give it to you.
I
And
have someone that wants
that'll
them.
be the first time.
Yeah,
Will
Richard
pay
has
something.
somebody that will pay something. So
She didn't say no though. She just said she hates. She just said she hates it.
She just
definitely
said hell no.
She said that she hates it.
She said, "Hell
just
the
for
fuck no."
recommendation, just for the record, I think, based on like what me and Ty talked about earlier. You
Get talked down to a lot.
no,
Is
well,
that-
I did talk about that, but you hearing no, and somebody saying no and you hearing no are 2 very different things, and so that gets pretty rapey really fast.
Yeah, when you put it
Like-
in that context.
Like, she literally said no, and then you go, well, she didn't mean
Really no.
yeah,
Like, yeah, and that's how Stormy Daniels got famous. Like, so just be careful, you know? You don't want to get a long review of your
That's long?
teaching.
Is that
Yeah,
long?
that's, yeah. In many ways, this is long. But, like, you don't want to get, like, a long review from your teaching that,
sure that's
that
10
says,
inches.
like, how... It's probably like 500 words. Like how bad you're doing all
Yeah.
year and what a piece of shit you are.
because you didn't say no or you didn't accept no as an answer.
Because I don't know. Yeah.
Jay, can we have another dog?
She said
No,
yes.
that wasn't it.
That was-
She said okay.
that was
but-
actually a
But
no.
here's the deal. You said another dog. So like I wonder if you killed one of yours,
Oh my
you
god.
replacing it, just like secretly replacing it, just like Sky suddenly turns into this little black
She honestly
Dog.
probably would approve of that. because she
Like-
hates Sky.
Yeah.
Sky pissed in her kennel this morning, and I was like, "Come on, dog,
Wow.
why?" But the funny thing,
You know what's good about those dogs? Like Great Pyrenees? They like being outside.
who the fuck has a
Okay,
great
Pepper-
Pyrenees?
Isn't that what it is?
Husky.
Is she a husky?
Yeah, who the fuck
I
has
thought
a
she was a
great,
Great
Pyrenees?
Pyrenees.
Okay, Peppercorn wants to stay outside all the freaking time.
Yo, you should get a
Bro,
Great
she
Dane.
looks just like London. Like
This
he called her.
This is what Sky looks like?
That's exactly what fucking Sky looks like. What the fuck is a Pyrenees?
I pay no fucking attention at all.
Let me see a Pyrenees now. It's gonna be like a
I
fucking.
need somebody
like
to
this.
get a Great Dane.
No, who the fuck has that fat ass dog?
Well, my mom did when I was a kid. We had two.
Great Dane.
But then you grew up.
No,
And one of them died
dogs,
really
bro.
fast of like parvo or
great.
something, and the other one.
my mom's middle name is Dane, so she thinks she's a fucking dog.
What was that dog's name?
Bitch, I'm a dog. Roof.
She had a
doesn't know how to work
she had a
the
little
soundboard yet.
chihuahua named Tiny. He was so obnoxious.
He just knows how to push one button with one finger.
Your G spot.
Ooh, I know what
That's
button.
my
that-
favorite.
Just down the line.
Cool.
In 2 weeks, my house is going to be cleaned.
For sale?
First, that's what I was gonna
Oh.
say.
Clean.
For sale by owner?
No, but cleaned by Ty.
Why is Ty gonna clean it? You still haven't finished the book that my wife gave you almost
Okay,
a year ago.
I will.
While I'm cleaning, he'll finish the book.
Well, Ty,
Which one of you will
if
be
you want to
wearing
come over to
the-
my house and clean,
What will you pay him?
I won't make
My
you-
white boy is not for free.
here's the deal. I
Okay.
won't make him wear that thing.
I will.
So
I still need
feel
money.
like that's like payment enough.
Dog, give him the
What
dog.
if,
It'll
what if
clean
I
your
wanted
house.
to wear it?
Yeah. what
I
if it-
mean, that's fine. I just feel like my kids might have a weird story to tell at home.
They're
I'm
at
definitely
school.
not going to be there while the kids
They'll
are
be at
there.
school.
You do- yeah,
Because
only
that'll-
So you're
Momo.
gonna do it during the day.
Yeah, only
that'll
Momo
make
will
my
know.
job so much harder to clean the house while there's a bunch of kids still creating a mess.
It's weird that you can figure that one out.
because I was once a kid and could understand that concept.
Yes, I get it.
My parents also put that one
was
into
me.
me. Of hey,
Hey, we don't need to know what your parents put into you, okay?
Some of us are
Especially
working.
not your stepdad.
Step bro.
Yeah.
I had a stepbro, not a stepdad.
Wait, so you had a stepmom?
No.
What?
That doesn't matter.
You have a step
That
bro
doesn't
without
matter.
having any step
Oh,
parents.
older
I had
stepbro.
a stepbro.
Oh, that's a stepbrother.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
No, I get what he's talking about now. I'm more of his father figure, but I don't know why he's stuck on the brother thing.
The brother.
Because I used
brother,
to get
the
stuck in
color.
things and I would need his help. So I'd be
He
like,
wouldn't.
stepbro, come help me out.
Yeah, help me get out of this dryer, stepbro.
I'm stuck under the coffee table.
Please help.
I remember one time we were at work at the bowling alley, and he like bent down to grab shoes, and there was customers right in front of us. He goes, "Step bro, help me out, I'm stuck." And I was like, "What the fuck are you doing?" Oh, so
How were you stuck?
The shoes, man, they were heavy, you know?
he wasn't stuck at all. He just wanted to say it,
wasn't stuck.
and I just
What?
I made eye contact with the
Segregation,
customers, and
separate
I was
but
like, "I'm
equal."
so sorry."
And
for
then he made
this."
eye contact with my sphincter because I was down there putting
Ooh.
shoes up.
Like that one time that you that I had to do like plumbing. I did plumbing at your house and just it kind of went the opposite direction. that I
So we had just came back from the
anticipated.
gym and he was trying to fix my sink because the stupid thing, it's fucked up again, by the way. So if you want to come over and fix it,
You just need
no.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
if you want to come fix my sink again, I will be naked. I
apartment.
don't. I threw it out there, but it's not happening.
I mean,
Anyway, he was trying to fix my sink.
wait, your people, your guy wants to
people.
for sale by owner, right?
He would.
He would. My therapist needs something like that. So, no.
They don't go to Ezekiel.
Oh, he interrupts the
fired that guy.
conversation. But
But-
when I interrupt it, it's like
who
horrible.
said that?
You did, because you're talking about
The-
plumbing, and he just interrupted.
I mean,
on
there is
something
like
else.
an
A
order,
different-
like a
Let him
natural
know,
order
Richard.
of things here.
Let him know.
Okay, I'm just checking.
Anyway, you were
Okay,
trying to fix
okay,
my sink.
yeah.
And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go take a shower. And then I like already got naked when I walked away. So my clothes were just in the hallway.
Yeah.
And I was like, fuck. I needed to get something out of the kitchen. But I had my towel already. So I just had my towel over my shoulder.
I thought he needed a tool.
No, he didn't.
needed
I'd
your
already
tool.
given it to him. And I was like, okay, you don't need
he
it anymore.
gave it
I'm
to
gonna go
me,
get in the
that's
shower.
fine.
And so I came back into the kitchen fully
Yeah, you
naked.
did.
And then I stood above him, and he was like, I was like, hey, do you still need this? And then just straight ass.
Yeah.
It was great. It's fucking hilarious.
It was the straightest ass I've ever seen.
Yeah. It's because I have stretch marks back there. I do all that, the squats and then ass workouts when I go to the gym. Pilates sometimes.
Did you guys go to the gym today?
No.
Oh, why not?
No. Did you see the text he sent last night?
Yeah.
He said 10:15.
Oh.
Did you?
I thought
Yeah, for
10:15
here.
was for here.
Oh, I thought you said for the gym.
there
I was like, you're a
a
fucking
gym
animal.
at 7:30 or something.
7:30. I was waking up and driving to Howard to go take a test.
Oh, cool. How'd you go?
I passed.
What'd
So
you take?
I took. I'm gonna have sex with your mom tonight.
What a play.
What-
That sounds like a great test.
I mean,
I took.
gross.
But I thought that was your mom.
No.
Wait, what?
He's your sugar mama.
I was sugar mama.
Because Brent would be your
Oh,
your sugar
my
daddy.
Sugar daddy.
Yeah.
Wait, is that correct? We asked him this one time
my
too.
God.
Can you guys just rearrange your wills to put all the money in a trust that me and Keen like get to oversee?
Yeah, as long as you put feet pics as well in the trust. Cap. My wife is just scared of what I can do.
Yeah, you might fucking buy a BMW M3.
Yeah,
Because you got a
2018.
job.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Get Genevieve back.
Get Genevieve
Yeah.
back.
Let's get that specific one.
JGB or JJB. GJ.
HEB?
GJB.
Let's just buy an HEB.
Let's
with all
buy an
the
HEB.
money.
We could
Yeah.
franchise an HEB.
all the Richard and Brent money.
Yeah.
Would be
Be like this big.
Is it Is it?
I mean, I'm just saying, like,
Brent or
who is
Richard?
gonna take care of you guys the way that you guys take care of Brent's mom?
I
I
will.
don't know.
Us.
We will.
I'll do it.
I mean, I don't want I want your things, but I don't want your things at the same time.
Because you want my thing.
Oh,
That will still work. She
she'll
wants your
get to
bathroom.
see it
Want my
a
bathroom?
lot when you.
He'd be like, oh, I shit myself,
Yeah.
Keen. I'm like, damn, not again.
I thought you guys were gonna redo the mermaid bathroom.
We're gonna redo the bathrooms, but not. We're
You
gonna
can keep
try
the
to.
mermaid.
It's gonna
We're
be
gonna try to
it's gonna be a
keep-
merman, and to flush a
Oh.
toilet, it's gonna be his mercock.
I really think
It
it,
was the
should
bidet.
like
It'd be
the
like,
this. You should make the faucet like
A
a little
tail.
mermaid like penis. Just
Curve.
like really
Yeah.
big head. Like
So they have those overseas, and you literally have to stroke it for it to start pouring water out.
That's fantastic.
nice.
they have, like,
what
another one
overseas?
It
like,
was some
where?
German restaurant,
Oh, nice.
and they just had that in there. And then in another restaurant, they had one where it's like women's
restaurant?
legs, and then their butt. And you would
Oh,
walk up
wow.
to the sink, and you would just
Oh
dip your
no.
balls to some plastic butt.
Oh no.
Wow.
It's awful.
me too.
Wow. You gonna close up the glory hole, or keep
my
that
God.
open?
I don't even know what a glory hole is.
You're lying.
There's no way.
Yeah. We'll make one right now.
Describe it for me, Ty. Tell me.
I'll just take this mic stand out, and then it'll be a glory hole.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, no. So we were not going to the gym at 7:30 and or 10:15 today. But I took certified in cyber. I passed it, and then I also took Security X, which used to be CASP Plus yesterday, and passed. So now I have 3 certs, and I'm starting my master's degree in February.
All the certs, baby.
All the certs and all the
ma-
dessert. Oh,
and masters.
all the desserts, baby.
A master's degree.
Masters.
He's gonna try to get a master's degree in the fastest I've ever heard of anyone getting a master's degree.
Yeah, I could probably knock it out in 3 months. Like realistically now, because I just got 2 more certs that will omit 2 whole additional classes. So
Oh wow, that's cool.
yeah,
I didn't know
that's
that.
the main reason why I'm doing it. And plus, ASU will pay me more if I have more certs anyway. But
Oh, okay.
If I'm there
If
for
you're still
another
there.
yeah, if I'm there for another year, like me and my wife talked about, then that'll be somewhat beneficial. But
Cool.
yeah,
You're not gonna quit like Patrick.
no, because I'm not tenured.
When's his last day?
31st.
First.
Wait, I thought he already was done.
No,
that's right.
he like filled out
Vacation.
all his stuff.
Oh.
but he has like an excessive amount of PTO and like
Get rid of sick days.
sick
Oh,
days
yeah.
and stuff. Like he could stop. He doesn't ever have to go back
Oh,
right now
I see.
if he didn't want to. But he was like, "Well, I'll just go finish out and be done."
Yeah, donate some of those sick hours to the sick pool. Jelly, don't touch that. Jelly.
Wow, you're gonna mess it up. All the work that Landon did.
He won't be mad. It'll be white on white crime. So
I don't know about that. That thing is not.
Is it still frozen?
Wow. Okay, so
It's still my picture is frozen.
it's a homunculus,
the little
baby.
front view.
basically we don't get to see Richard.
They don't
in
get to
this
see me.
Well, they get to
podcast
see
at all.
halves of you.
It's good on
It-
there,
yeah.
but it's not good over there.
So hopefully
Weird.
it is not fucked up.
Whatever.
Well, it was,
So what else happened?
there's a basketball game.
How was Howard? You would talk about a basketball game. You
and
basketball American.
and Howard. What about what was wrong with Howard?
What? Yeah.
Who's Howard?
How did that go?
Dwight Howard, Superman.
Did you go up there?
Oh,
You went
for
up
my
there?
test.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for your
yeah,
test.
yeah. It was fun. The ladies were like, "Oh, you're here again today." She's like, "Are you retaking the test?" I'm like, "Nah, fucking-
Nah, this is a new one.
It's a
This
fucking
is
different one."
new
Well, I
test.
told them that yesterday when I left. I was like, "Hey, you guys might see me tomorrow and again on Wednesday."
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to take another test. I'm thinking about taking
Okay.
another test tomorrow.
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
No, I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't looked at any of the content yet, so I have no idea.
This guy is like a sponge. Okay, like you just tell him this is what you need to learn, and he'll learn it.
Most
So-
most of the time.
Yeah. Except
If-
fucking what's it called? Marriage
Yeah,
and
personal stuff.
No,
personal
but
stuff.
that what was that one? Compilers.
Oh,
don't
fuck
ask Keen to make you a compiler
that
for
class,
sure.
man.
But other than that,
People have literally switched degrees from the
'Cause
computer
of
science
that.
degree,
Yeah.
knowing that that's the class that they had to go take. So
Yeah.
a lot of the students that we have now, they were starting computer science or they thought about it,
Mm-hmm.
and then they obviously heard about compilers and were like, ooh, no, and they switched to cybersecurity.
it just like
is
that just
compilers?
makes me feel like they're not teaching it right.
It's
Like
just
if you can't, like, if that, like, I get like if you had a problem and no one else did,
yeah,
right? But then like freaking what's his name,
Chris Fu,
Chris Vu, like he struggled with it,
and he was
trying
working
to
on
help
his
you,
master's
and like
at the
he,
time.
yeah, he's like upper level, and like it's just like if this is the consistent thing, like people are quitting because of that.
Yeah.
Like maybe, like I don't mind it being hard. Like make shit hard.
He likes
The
it hard.
physics department is hard,
Same.
but like make it doable.
Yeah,
You know, like teach it better or add another prerequisite to it to like help you get there. Because if it's something they're teaching on a university level, like this isn't research for your doctorate,
Yeah.
like where it's new, figure it out. It's like this is completely doable. Here's how. And like there should be some sort of evaluation of that class.
yeah. I don't know what it would take to either omit that class or fix it, but it is just a nightmare to take. Like even some of the students
what
that we
is
had.
it?
So a compiler, from what I remember doing, it converts multiple coding languages to be able to process certain data and data sets. So the idea is that I code it in C++, assembly, and a different language because that's what coding is, a bunch of languages. And I give it a bunch of numbers or rules or things to follow. And I say, hey, I need you to process information, and then I expect this result. And if you don't create the compiler correctly, it will not process the data or it will not convert it to the correct output. So it is like building a computer with someone just showing you a picture of how to build a computer and not being able to actually put the computer together. So it's very difficult. I would only recommend taking the course if you're only taking one other class, so not being like a 12-hour semester, because I think the course is 4 or 3 credits by itself. So if you're taking anything else after that, you're not going to be able to focus on what you need to, because there was like 20-ish homework assignments. They call them labs, but you need to program something to work each time. And I think there was like 4-ish exams, and then the final project, which was the compiler, and that at the time was 4 stages. Now I think now it's 3.
Yeah, but if you're on any grants or anything, 12 hours is
Yeah.
the minimum you
Exactly.
can take.
Yeah. So I had to retake it. I had to retake the course twice, or I had to retake it once because I took it and failed it. I had a partner at the time, and our compiler didn't fucking compile, so that was not helpful to my already pretty bad grade. But then I took it again by myself in the summer, and then I had Chris Vu help me, or I think it was the summer, whatever it was. And I had Chris Vu help me with some of the labs, but the compiler, it was still a lost cause in terms of I had to do it myself. And I got it to function at the end of the project, but not, I think, on the first iteration of it. So it's like stage 0, 1, 2, and 3. Stage 0 needs to look like this and work like this. Stage 1, 2, and 3 need to do this, whatever. But I got it to actually finish the final set of data sets. So
What bothered me then was like any project I work on, right? It's like you take this data set, you run it here, and then it's like if it messes up, you like go back and adjust it, right? Mm-hmm. But it seemed like you had to run it all the way through and then kind of guess where it messed up, and then go back. And like when you asked for help, it was just like, figure it out, idiot.
Yeah. It wasn't verbatim for that, but it was like, I can't give you the answer that you're looking for. And it was like, can you just look at this and tell me what's wrong at least? Yeah. Like, I don't need you to give me an answer. Or give me the answer. Show me what's wrong and how I can maybe fix it. Or look at it
at least let me know what's wrong.
Yeah. And that I wouldn't even get that.
But I wonder now, if you took that class with ChatGPT, like if you could talk through it with Chat, could you do a better job? Like, because, and that's why I'm saying like the idea of like it has to be taught differently. Like if everyone is in the same boat as you, and like completely does not understand, like Bixler, who's a physics professor, like he does upper level physics classes, and their physics problems are very, very complicated. Okay. But like he designs them where they have to come together as a group and talk about them to figure out how to move forward.
Like
right?
what you do at Fuentes.
Yeah. Sure. And so like he designs the problems in a way that requires you to think as a group, but then also not necessarily requires you to come to him, but he like he can look at your work and go, you're missing something here. And like whoever's teaching that class should be able to go, you're missing something here. And what I struggle with as like an adjunct is, as an adjunct, I'm not responsible for this like that style of learning.
Sure.
But as a real teacher or like a professor should be able to go here. Like there's just this like deeper level of understanding that someone who's teaching these things like should be able to.
Yeah.
That's my tea bags.
So I'll teabag you.
I know. Do you
Promise?
want a tea bag?
Yeah. So I don't know. If I took the class again, I probably would do significantly better. Granted, I haven't coded in any of the languages that we had to use for that class since I took my bachelor's. So that might be the only downside to that. But yeah, using ChatGPT to like help me find problem areas or maybe push me in the right direction probably would help. But then you have to customize how ChatGPT is answering your questions and what it needs to look for.
He's texting right now.
He is texting. He did say the last 15 minutes he was going to be on his phone.
Well, my wife sent me a cute little picture
of
He
Momo.
was not going to be on his phone.
Look at this. He's chilling on this little pop-up stool thing that we have. Mm-hmm. Just watching TV.
You still have Christmas decorations up.
His fucking Christmas trees up.
Where? How do you even see that?
What, stockings?
Oh, there's stockings. Okay, yeah. But the Christmas tree's still up with ornaments.
Yeah, it's literally just the left of that recliner.
That's fine.
A rocking chair, yeah.
Bennett goes, when are we going to take down the Christmas decorations? I'm like, after next Christmas.
Walking on a roof?
Oh yeah, Ty put lights
I'm
up.
okay with it.
Nice.
You okay with it?
Do you
I don't like it.
do you still have a Christmas tree up?
Well, yeah, technically,
What the fuck does that even mean?
because I'm gonna keep it up all year.
Oh, just like Seth just said he was gonna do.
No, not like that. Well,
Well, like, so if you do LED, there's new LEDs that you can put up everywhere.
yeah.
Like, put those everywhere, and then you can light up your house like orange for Texas
Halloween.
losing the
Yeah.
Cotton Bowl, and you can light them up, pink for Valentine's Day, or
That's so gay.
It is. That's when this episode will air. That's why there's
I
pink
was thinking
everywhere.
like the problem. They don't have any black ones, so like, what are we gonna do next Monday?
You could do they have specific black lights.
Oh, they do.
Yeah.
Are they black lights like purple, or they're like?
It's like a violet.
This is like,
Deep purple.
because like next Monday is like, special day.
That's inauguration.
Get the fuck off me.
President.
Something about like I don't know, like the reformer or something. I don't know.
I hate you.
Oh, that's a different dark holiday. That's October 31st is Reformation
Dark
Day.
holiday is insane.
January 20th is our Lord and Savior Martin Luther King. Because of him, we get to be friends, buddy.
yeah,
I'm just saying, he
Yeah.
made my life better too.
Yeah. It wasn't
So-
just him, but yes.
I mean, Malcolm X,
It wasn't just him either,
you
but
know,
yes.
Che from SNL, like,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah.
I hate you. Black holiday is
I
still
don't know.
absolutely
Robinson.
insane.
The
You
dark holiday.
No, you should get
I
a
said
shirt. You
dark
should get a
holiday.
shirt with Martin Luther King
Yeah.
and Malcolm X on the back, but on the front it says "I support Black holidays,"
Yeah.
and then you turn around the back and it's just
Yeah, just those two.
yeah.
What about the peanut guy? That guy was cool. George Washington, Carver, And then what else? What other days are
the
there?
Penis guy, the peanuts.
It's interesting to me. Why didn't they put Martin Luther King Day in February?
because of Black History Month.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't. All right. Thank you for tuning
No,
in to another
you're not
episode.
even gonna just say because it's his birthday. Like
That's our Christmas tree.
they weren't gonna have Black History Month. There was no Black History Month before MLK was born. So why didn't they put Black History Month in January then? Is it too white outside?
Isn't that the gay month?
No, the gay month is June.
June.
I'll just say, don't ruin my birthday month like
No,
that.
they threw a dark holiday in there too. Your
Yeah.
birthday, Juneteenth.
Yeah, Juneteenth.
Black
July.
and gay holiday.
Wow, that is like perfect for you.
Is it GAC or Blay?
Um,
Like,
What?
GAC.
that
Gay
that's
black.
the that's the day.
It's
that's
Blay.
the.
It's Blay.
Blay.
I mean,
Blay
that's
Day.
is that
Blay
like
Day.
AIDS Appreciation Day?
That's not right.
Black and gay.
I hate you.
I mean,
Uh,
too bad Landon's not going to edit anything out of this.
Yeah.
son of a, you are a son of a bitch.
Wow.
I fucking hate you.
That's okay. I'm going to get fired from ASU for this.
You-
Probably for that other thing.
That's assuming they watch this too.
Yeah, that's true.
They still have
I probably don't.
other 10 episodes of slop to work through.
Yeah, they gotta get here.
Well,
If you've made it here, this is where the real content starts.
Take off our shirts.
Yes.
Oh, we should do a shirt.
Tie-
Oh,
tie first.
speaking of taking off our shirts.
Ty first.
Oh, go ahead. Oh, Nate Bargatze,
Fake name.
which is a comedian, and I was thinking of the Two Bears, but he's not one of them. But Nate Bargatze, he's a different comedian.
Is that
He's
the
a
one you
Jewish
just-
looking guy.
No, he is just the clean comedian.
Is that the guy you just said earlier?
Yeah. So
Did he come here?
No, but he I don't think he came here, but I don't usually ask that kind of question. You know,
Where'd you come last?
where'd you come last? But like, so Mount Juliet, Tennessee is where my best friend lives, and I'm a member of the Chamber of Commerce there, and that's where Nate Bargatze is from. But me and Rusty are big fans of his because one, he's like really hilarious, but you can also like just listen no matter when it is because very clean.
Not like
And his
this
thing,
show.
his thing was like his
thing.
shtick.
His thing was clean
his
too?
shtick,
Dick.
Nice,
different-
clean thing.
Yeah, there you go. Is that like he wants his kids to be able to listen, like, and no problem, right? And so they had him on SNL, and they were trying to get him to say like inappropriate stuff, but he wouldn't say it, and because he's like, oh yeah, that's funny, but I'm not gonna say that. Like, is part of the thing, and then
We're trying to make him cry.
but I saw a TikTok this morning of him announcing that he is now a Waze voice. Which I've never turned on the audio part of navigation before, except back when a long time ago, Snoop Dogg was the TomTom guy. So you could download Snoop's voice, and he would be like,
A Waze.
he would go
It's a
in,
navigation
like
app.
when you go to a roundabout, he'd be like, what would he say? Like
Roundabout.
Like he would just say stuff like that. And so Bargatze, you can download him on Waze now. And he was like, he's like, so you're gonna like, don't, take your time. You're good. Like you're gonna just take a left up here and then another right. And then, and I'm turning right over the train tracks on Chadburn to come down here. And he goes, yeah, like how do they make roads so smooth? And I was like, not in San Angelo, buddy. Not in San Angelo. So like, I wish that I feel like eventually we get to the place where I'm having a full on conversation with the navigation. Like I can give that feedback and be like, not here.
Is that your first day using Waze like that?
No, I mean the first time I think I used Waze with a different voice a long time ago.
Okay, because it always repeat. If you do the same thing, it'll repeat that same phrase. It's nothing new.
Right.
Okay.
No, and because it's just like they have you sit in a sound booth, like as a reader, and they just say, "Here are all the words we need you to say," and he just goes through.
Is his name Nathan in here?
No, just Nate Bargatze.
Mine is
And
Kaylani.
But
So
who's that?
it's a singer.
Oh, cool. But like, I think that'd be eventually right. Like they just make it where it's different all the time.
Yeah, AI.
Yeah.
AI in Waze. Ooh, and it'd lie about where
And then
police are located.
let me tell you stuff. Like let me say stuff back to you. I've been trying to use chat with audio, but like it cuts me off.
Like your voice.
Yeah, so like I'll be talking to it.
Now you
and
know how we feel.
I take a breath, and it's like wants to respond to me, and I'm like, slow the fuck down. So like I want a way in there just to like tell it like, give me 3 seconds instead of 1 second. So usually when I am doing that kind
And
of
I'm
thing,
sure Laura said that too.
when I'm doing it, usually I just use the Apple.
I never complain when he gives me.
The Apple transcribe.
1 second.
And then have it just send it to chat instead of like having a conversation with chat. But you should be able to have a conversation with chat, is what they're working on.
Yeah. Did you see that you could also do the Sora, the video editing, the AI generation in ChatGPT now? Like you can start signing up to do that.
Oh, the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I
like-
also saw that it's like $120 a month.
200.
$200.
$200 a month
Yeah.
to be able to have like 1080p,
AI
unlimited
video.
sessions, whatever.
That's
So,
cool.
It's insane.
I mean, if I were Landon
Is that a good price?
and had to do that stuff,
For what?
well, you think
get.
about like what you could generate.
I can make a video of you making out with Seth at a bar across the street, but I wouldn't have to make up that video in AI because I saw it in person.
Oh yeah, at one time.
Yeah. It wasn't more. It was like a tongue to tongue.
I sent Keen
we've done
the Austin FC schedule. I need to send it to you.
Okay.
You're not
so
going.
you can pick a game.
I need to go this time. You sent it to me, and I know how you are because you sent it once, and you're like, if you don't reply, I'm not going to remind you.
Yep.
Well, like with Keen, it was like he said,
I was literally thinking.
"Let's
about
go." I was thinking about this the other day. I'll let you know.
It. Literally
And
was thinking about it the other day. I was like, man, fuck, I wonder if the new season started. Kind of want to go.
Yeah.
And then I just didn't say anything to him
Only if
about
Ty goes with us.
it. Yo, you never been to Austin FC game?
I have.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
When?
Whenever we went to Austin to
Yeah,
do our
you
touch-
didn't
Oh,
go.
that's right.
You were throwing up.
I didn't. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, is that the?
Yeah.
We got-
The
I had
the
this
bachelor party.
I had the same
Dang.
experience.
Yeah, the next time. That's
The
why
next
you haven't
time.
gone again.
So I have not seen.
You
a
guys
game.
just need to learn how to hold your
Squid.
shit together.
gummies.
Fucking Kung Pao squid.
Yeah, I think it was.
That one was.
Yeah,
bad.
Also.
Yeah, and then walking so much and not drinking.
All that
any-
walking.
And then drinking
All that
no water.
walking.
I drank no water that day at all.
Bro, I think you're
was
making
pretty
just
hot.
poor decisions on your.
I was gonna throw this at you, didn't you?
There
So-
was a little.
So
part
my
of
wife's
me.
gone about that dog.
No.
Hungry or what?
I'll take the dog.
Okay, Peppercorn loves the cold. She loves water. She likes it getting wet. Sprinklers are on. She runs to the sprinklers.
Oh, that's great.
And
So you already have enough dogs. We're not talking about Peppercorn.
I'm just saying, I love her.
Gotham though.
Gotham.
She's smart.
She looks like London. I bet if I put London and Peppercorn together, the only way I'd be able to tell the difference is because London's taller.
Oh yeah.
Her legs are longer.
Well,
She's 28 solid
they
pounds.
sent me a picture of the one that Tyler's sister got.
And it's dead already.
Oh my god.
Gosh. No, it was
She gave it a pack of menthols.
it was all dressed up in a little
Doggy skirt.
little doggy outfit. Look at that little
Hey.
cuteness.
Wait, where the fuck do they live at?
I don't even know a camera, but
Oh,
that
Dallas,
little
right?
cuteness.
They're in Dallas.
Yeah.
That's
Fort Worth. Look at
fucking
that.
sick. Look at that boy. That's pretty cool.
Look at all them little feet prints.
Those are pretty strong prints.
Cute. But yeah, I think like
Excuse me.
two of the little tan ones don't like me very much. The black one doesn't like me that much, but then the one that's going to Tennessee does like me. So
It's because one of them wasn't corrupted by their father.
I
Ballard.
I think what I need to do is this week just starve them, and then I'll come in with food and and be like, I'm the one that feeds you,
Out of the belly button, though.
bitches. Well, they're not bitches, but
Well,
on my
if-
belly button.
Yeah, your belly button. That way they
How
have
do you know
to
they don't
They have
like
to
you?
get close
What
to
do
me.
they say?
They kind of like run away from me.
Because you discipline them?
Yeah,
fucking punches them in the gut.
yeah. If they don't listen, I just like,
That's why peppercorn is so good.
you're welcome.
Yeah, she doesn't listen.
Oh,
No, yeah, I got it.
probably
She-
you don't
she
beat
is.
her enough then.
Yeah. No, she's good.
I mean-
she's good.
Marriage 101.
Wow. Yeah,
that, no.
Thank you for tuning in to the episode of the Big Black Richard podcast. Seth has to go to lunch because he's a fucking loser and hates us. So see you guys next time. Play the outro. Play the outro. Play the outro.
I'm not real.
Taco Kings, yeah, that's the pitch.
Big Black Richard.
I'm going.
All right, now it just cut out.
Now, we just did all that.